everyone. So we are here for another video, which is connecting Microsoft Intune Tenant to managed Google Play Store. When we are adding like applications to our Microsoft Intune Tenant from Android, like Play Store from Google Play Store, then just edit. And then I'm selecting the Manage Google Play app. Like I'm trying to install or add applications from Google Play Store. I'm receiving this message: connect your Intune account to your Android enterprise account to browse Manage Google Play. Well, first you need to connect your tenant to Manage Google Play, and then you will be able to add it like Android applications from Google Play Store. For that, we need to go to the devices and then enrollment. Here we have different platforms. I need to select the Android one, and here we have Manage Google Play. So I need to select this one. And it's like a really simple steps. I just need to select agree. Okay, just wait a bit. I'm not sure why it's gray, but let me check. I've just clicked the agree button, so we need to agree with this one and then launch Google to Connect now. So I'm clicking this one. And you should have a Gmail account for this one. So I'm using the same, okay, create an account to get started. Enter work email address, okay. Meet for business call plus. Okay, so I'm using this one. Well, this is my global admin account, I guess. But let me use this one anyway. Continue. Well, I don't have opened this account in my Outlook inbox. I have just removed that user account because I don't have access to their emails right now. So I'm just putting my Gmail account here so I can receive the code and I can confirm it from my side. And I'm clicking next. Okay. Personal email address. Here are your options. Sign up with work, purchase company domain, sign up for Android only. So I'm just going ahead with the Android only because right now I just have this one option. Bring Android to work. Start it. Uh, it looks like I have completed the registration here, and let me just go back. Okay, Manage Google Play successfully configured with the tenant. So I have configured my Gmail account with configure this one. And then once I have configured the Gmail account and connect my Microsoft into an account to this, Now I'm going back and checking whether I can add the Android apps to my Microsoft Intune tenant or not. Applications, Android, and okay. So now I'm noticing something because just now I have connected my Microsoft Intune tenant to Android Google Play Store, and by default I receive these applications, Android applications here: Manage Home Screen, Authentication, Microsoft Intune, and yeah, Portal. My firm, it's like company portal for Microsoft Intune. But when I'm just going to manage Google Play and select, I should see the public store here now. See, now I can see the Google Play Store here and I can search for any applications. For example, I'm looking for this one. Okay, LinkedIn. Once I'm clicking the application and just select and sync. So this application will be added to my Microsoft Intune tenant. This is how we can connect our Microsoft Intune tenant to Google Play Managed Public Store. But if you would like to remove the connection from Manage Google Play, you can do that one as well by just going there and disconnect. But if you disconnect the application, like if you disconnect your Microsoft Intune from the Manage Google Play Store, then um the Android mobile, like the Android applications will be not working anymore. It means it will be like disappear from the tenant as well. LinkedIn. So we have this application here now. I have added this one into Android list. For example, if I would like to remove the connection, I'm clicking on devices again, and then enrollment, Android, and manage Google Play here as well. So I'm just clicking disconnect. It will disconnect my connection of Microsoft Intune tenant with the Google account or like with the Google Play Store. This is how we are connecting or linking our Microsoft Intune tenant with Manage Google Play.